How to edit an activity in Strava, basically changing the distance in time. So put in mind if you're planning to specifically change it to the number you specifically want, let's say you're going for a 1 mile distance and you think you can put it on like 2 minutes, that's not going to be possible. That's basically cheating. But one thing you can do is to crop your activity. So if you look at the edit activity option, there's nothing you can do. You can only change some details, visibility, and those other stuff. But over here, you have the crop activity. This, on the other hand, is basically editing and then changing this. You can change the distance by changing your time, since of course they're going to be affecting each other directly. As the time changes, the total distance would change as well. And you can also edit the end time, and whichever start or end time you switch or move will always move the total distance as well. So the shorter the total time, the shorter the total distance as well. But this is one of the only ways you can change or edit your time and distance in a Strava activity. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.